It's a big day for our TRON project team here. We're finally going vertical with the first of our over 300 ride columns that'll ultimately deliver the TRON light cycle experience for our guests here at the Magic Kingdom.
There was a lot of work that went into preparing for this day. All of the horizontal work, the earthwork, the underground electrical work. We've been under construction for over a year now, and now here we are going vertical.
This is one of over 300 columns that are going to be going up, some up to almost 80 feet tall. Guests are going to love this experience here at Magic Kingdom.
It's a unique coaster experience for us because you're kind of sitting on the back of a motorcycle. You're getting digitized into the digital world, placed on a light cycle, and you get to race as a team against some opponents.
It's amazing. The daytime and the nighttime experience are completely different, and guests need to come and ride it as many times as they can because it feels different every time.
I've worked on other roller coaster attractions here. It's kind of humbling to be standing in the shadow of Space Mountain, which was the first coaster here at the Magic Kingdom.
I had the privilege to work on the same attraction in Shanghai. From a personal experience, I'm really excited about riding this attraction again with my sons. They absolutely love this attraction. They ask me every day, when's it gonna open, Dad? When's it gonna open? And I have to tell them it's gonna open for the 50th anniversary at the Magic Kingdom.
Being a part of this and showing it off to my family and get to say, hey, look what I've been doing, you know, and getting to see them smile along with all the other guests, it's an amazing experience, and I can't wait.
This is a flagship attraction that we're building in a flagship park.
Since going vertical, we've installed so many ride columns, but this one right here is extra special. This is the one that was signed by more than 4,500 Magic Kingdom cast members. Our cast members were thrilled to have the opportunity to leave their mark on Magic Kingdom history. Seeing the column here in place on the construction site is extremely exciting. We can't wait for our guests and cast members to experience this attraction.